Now, CAP Barbell claims these plates are going to transform your home workouts, giving you that commercial gym feel without ever leaving your garage. But after putting these through their paces for the past few weeks, I've found something they don't tell you in the ads. Is this set actually worth your hard-earned cash, or is it just another pretty face in the fitness world? Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly if these bumper plates belong in your home gym. CAP Barbell Olympic Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at? This is the CAP Barbell Olympic Bumper Plate Set, available in various weight configurations. These aren't your grandpa's clunky iron plates. Released to cater to the growing home gym market, especially for those into Olympic lifting, CrossFit, or just anyone who wants to drop weights without destroying their floor or their sanity. These are designed to be durable, floor-friendly, and let's be honest, they look pretty good too. CAP Barbell Olympic Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? I use this set for everything from heavy deadlifts and power cleans in my garage to overhead presses and even some accessory work, and I was really impressed by their consistency. When you're dropping a loaded barbell from overhead, you want to know those plates can take a beating, and these absolutely did. There was no weird bouncing, no unpredictable movement, just a solid, reassuring thud. The rebound is consistent, which is crucial for maintaining good form and preventing injuries, especially during dynamic lifts. They feel incredibly stable on the bar, which is something I've noticed isn't always the case with every bumper plate out there. And I really appreciate that feature during intense lifting sessions. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few key features that make these stand out. First up is the high-density virgin rubber. This isn't just fancy marketing speak. It basically means these plates are built to absorb impact extremely well. That's a game changer when you're doing Olympic lifts and need to drop the bar safely without worrying about damaging your floor, your foundation, or the plates themselves. The consistent durometer hardness also contributes to that predictable bounce I mentioned earlier. Next, we have the solid steel insert. This is where the plate slides onto your Olympic barbell. CAP has done a great job here, ensuring a snug fit that's not too tight or too loose. This prevents the plates from rattling around excessively during lifts, which can be super distracting and even compromise stability. Plus, it means they'll hold up over time without getting warped or wobbly. Finally, the color coding for the higher weight sets. While my specific set might not have all the classic Olympic colors, knowing that CAP offers this for different weight increments is a huge plus. It's a simple feature, but when you're mid-workout and trying to quickly load up, being able to glance and immediately grab the right weight saves time and keeps your intensity up. Design and build. Aesthetically, CAP Barbell nailed it. These plates have a clean, minimalist look. They're made of that dense, black virgin rubber, which feels super robust and durable. While they are bumper plates, meaning they're designed for impact, I didn't notice any strong, rubbery, off-gassing smell after the initial unboxing, which is a common complaint with cheaper alternatives. The texture gives a good grip when you're loading and unloading, even with sweaty hands. The diameter is standard Olympic size, meaning they fit perfectly on any Olympic barbell, and the consistent thickness across different weights within the same series makes for a balanced load on the bar. Pros. Durability. These things can take a serious beating. Consistent bounce, predictable and safe for dynamic lifts. Floor protection. Your garage floor will thank you. Cons. Initial scent, a slight rubber smell on unboxing, but it dissipates quickly. No handles. Standard bumper plate design, but handles would be a nice touch for some users. Final verdict. Look, if you're serious about your home gym, especially if you're into CrossFit, Olympic weightlifting, or just want plates that'll last and protect your floors, the CAP Barbell Olympic Bumper Plate Set is an absolute no-brainer. These are incredibly durable, perform consistently, and offer excellent value for the money, especially compared to some of the super high-end competition. They hit that sweet spot of quality and affordability. However, if you're a casual lifter who mostly does machine work or really light dumbbell exercises, you might be better off with some traditional iron plates or a more budget-friendly option. But for anyone pushing heavy weight, dropping bars, and demanding reliability, these CAP bumpers are a fantastic investment that will serve you well for years to come. They genuinely elevate the home gym experience.